Hello birdwatchers, it's January, it's cold and I'm here at Rodley Nature Reserve. My name is Linda Jenkinson from Start Birding and I'm here to tell you about the next Leeds Bird Fair that will be taking place here on Saturday the 24th of June. Last year we had a range of exhibitors from around the area and we can't wait to have them back this year. We also had some great activities. At the start of the day we had a moth trap opening and lots of people came for that and it was brilliant. And at the end of the day we had the fish pass walk. We had lots of fun things for children to do, including dissecting an owl pellet, a small mammal survey, and then we had the pond dipping. So come and join us, Saturday the 24th of June. We're going to have a great day and we'd love to see you here at Rodley Nature Reserve.